So if you go and see the way the India is progressing, the consumers are picking up the product. The contract label or the private label, which we say it is actually going toward from OEM to the ODM. Earlier, the brands used to provide the recipe and the contract manufacturer used to manufacture it. But now it is the expectations is going to the contract manufacturer to do contract development. So it's an ODM which is taking up the space, and it is the next wave is going to be the whoever is able to innovate it is going to actually lead the market. So CMPL is a very well marketed as a product in the industry, and we actually see lot of consumers coming in and a lot of new buyers coming in and doing the inquiries, the D2C ones, or the even the retailers in the cross functionality or the cross industry, which is like the apparel industry coming and asking us, we want to get into the contract manufacturing or sourcing of products. And this is a very right platform where you have a mix of all, and that helps us to really attract and get good customers and get a good leads for the futures to come in. So if you ask me to describe it in one word, it's very difficult to say how you put it on the thing, but I still will say it is like, I can't say a big Makkah, but I can say a small Makkah of the beauty industry or the contract manufacturing industry is what CMPL is trying to emerge. In fact, if you compare it with India, the other shows which happens like Cosmoprof and other, in front of that, CMPL is turning out to be much bigger as a product and as a platform for us to do it. And that's the reason as a Fiabila, as a company, for the first time in 26 years, we have taken first time to come up and exhibit as an exhibitor, and it's the first show that is CMPL we have selected, and that's what describes everything in one word, like Fiabila coming in as a French company and doing it for the first time in India, and that too in a CMPL, which shares the importance of CMPL.